Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming it's dead with a voltage tester. This protects you and the wiring. Once safe, set a stable ladder on the stairs so you can reach the fixture comfortably. You'll also need your new light, mounting plate, wire nuts, screwdriver, and gloves. Keep them within arm's reach. Make sure the old bulb is cool before touching it, and remove any decorative shades now so the fixture is exposed and ready for removal. You loosen the mounting screws and support the fixture as you lower it. Don't let it hang by the wiring. Once exposed, separate the wire nuts and trace which conductor is hot, neutral, and ground. Label with tape if needed so you remember. Inspect the electrical box for rust, cracked plastic, or overloaded splices. A secure metal box is best for mounting. If your new fixture's mounting bracket doesn't match the hole spacing, plan for an adapter plate or different bracket before connecting anything. You attach the new mounting bracket to the box, then join like-to-like wires with fresh wire nuts, black to black, white to white, and ground to ground, making tight, neat connections. Once the fixture is secured, restore power at the breaker and test the light. Observe for steady illumination, no buzzing, and cool connection points. If it flickers or doesn't turn on, turn power back off and recheck connections and wire orientation. If you smell burning, or if connections heat up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.